Hi, in this video I will show how to use XML viewer to see camt files. It's bank statement files in XML format and they have XML extension. So I'm gonna download XML viewer from this website. I will leave link on this site in the description. To find XML viewer, click on search and type XML viewer. And there are a couple of them, but I need XML viewer here, this one. Then click on download button and wait until archive will be downloaded on my computer. Yep, and click on download in the archive and click on double click on the MSI inside archive. Click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown, so I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install, click on yes and click finish on final screen, and you can see XML viewer installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can there are two ways of using XML viewer. First way, I can just double click on it, right? Then go and select my input file and it will be displayed as a table. And you can see I have all field in here. And also if I want, I can check documentation. So I collected camt documentation on this website. Let's open it. I can open it in the same tab. I will link on documentation too. So here is all camt tags and their description. Also there are like additional PDF information with more detailed description. You can download it from this website. However, you can see that it's but basically it's not that hard to read it, because it's like transaction amount is here. I can see transaction amount, post address, street number, I can see here, post address, town name. And it's basically, it's like, it's not that hard to read, but if you want to refer to complete documentation, you can do that. But with the time, you will be able to read it without no problem. So this is the first way to use XML viewer to see, and also I can export into Excel or Word or CSV if I want to from here. But there is another way. Now, if I go to my camt file, I can select right click, select open with, because normally when I click on it, it's asking me, hey, which file you want to open it. And see, this is like this Windows thing opening right away. Where did it go? Okay, let's close this. Try it again. Yeah, so it's open this. How do you want to open? And I can click on more apps, right? Scroll all the way down. Click on look application on my computer, then go to see program files x86 and find the White Rock software and scroll down. It will be XML viewer. I have like a lot of viewers here, but on your computer it will be just one XML viewer. Click on it, select viewer, click on open, and it will open right away in XML viewer. There is one thing I forgot to check. This is why it's open again. If I scroll down and I look at computer, right, it should be like open as default. I wonder why it's not selecting me, allowing me to set it as a default viewer. Let's try this again. Okay, probably, maybe it's open with choose, okay, choose another app. Oh, now it is. Now it's showing me exactly this. I always use this app for for opening XML file. Now let's try on this dialog. We click on more apps, we scroll down again, click on lookup on this PC, go to C program files 86, then navigate to Lightrock software, XML, and viewer, yeah. And here click on open. Now you can see that shortcut has changed on XML, and after that, every time I want to open XML file, I just double click and it opens right away. So if I go through in my Explorer through my different folders, right? I wonder if this is have XML. No. And see, I go into camt folder, I just double click on it and it's opened me this exact file right away. And I can export into different format if I want to. Yeah, so this is basically it. We can see what is inside camt file, and if we can learn a little from documentation how it's like, for example, this is account number, this is obviously BN. We can learn from documentation what all these tags means, and we'll be able to see what is inside of camt file right away. So basically that's it. If I will be recording more videos on camt file, different camt file converters from CSV and Excel to create on how to create a camt file. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel, and if you'd like to see more application like this and more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel too. Thank you. That's it. Bye.